Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Premiere Pro series, and in this video we are going to take a look into the uses of pen tool. So let's get started. Alright, here you can find your pen tool, and with the pen tool you can find two other options to create a shape. Just select the preferred shape and start creating shape in the program window just like this. And you can move to the effects control to change position, color and other different bunch of things. The shapes can be used to add different text on it, and also you can animate this by clicking on toggle animation, and after that, if you want, then you can change the color of this rectangle just like this. And yes, you can do the exact thing with the ellipse tool as well. Let me zoom in my tracks a little bit, and now we can also change the opacity of our video using the pen tool. So to do that, you need to click on timeline display settings and enable show video keyframes. After clicking on that, you can see here in my video one line has appeared. So to decrease the opacity of your video, you can simply drag this line downwards by using the pen tool or selection tool. And you can see our video is getting darker and darker as I change the value. Or you can also change the opacity from the effects control panel too. Now let me show you one example that how we can use this tool to make our video amazing. So I'm going to drag one video on this track, and you can see I have two videos running at the same time. Now with the help of pen tool, you can click anywhere on the line just like this, and you can see two blue dots appeared, which allows us to decrease the opacity of this video from that specific location. Now I'll drag this down and you will see our video will fade in gradually. Similarly, you can add a fade out also by applying the same thing. And now you can see our video is looking pretty amazing. Just like this, you can do the same thing for your audio. Now whenever you decrease the value, your volume of the audio will also decrease. For example, if you want to add multiple audios, then if you combine both files just like this, then you can see it is making our video a little bit boring by suddenly changing the background music. So to get rid of that, you can add 2 points at the end of your audio file and decrease the value. Now you will notice our background music will change in a different way. So you can listen that our volume is decreasing gradually, which is really nice. And these are some of the uses of this pen tool. And yes, if you want, then you can also add those dots by using the selection tool by holding the control key on your keyboard, and again you can do the exact same thing that we were doing by using our pen tool earlier. But it depends upon you that which tool you prefer the most. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, then make sure to leave a like and a sub to the channel would be amazing. So this is Tricky for you, and your boy Harry signing out.